are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store and check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to all the YouTube and Patreon channel members. Big shout out to our customers. Appreciate the business and support here at Donkey Stomper Products. Alrighty guys, we've got a 600 high drive HG-6Pill base, regular HG-2079s. We just repaired it, put new transistors in it, and put some new 10 ohms and new combiner resistors. All brand new 2079s. We'll kind of look at it, maybe leave a little better look at it right there. Maybe you can see what we're working with. Alright, let's start out looking at our straight through SWR like we always do. We're looking at, well, we gotta hook some coax up in it first. If we don't hook no coax up, it ain't gonna work. Guys, bear with me, we're still working with this video stuff. This audio stuff, we're trying to get something to everybody's liking and to my liking and getting something going. Alright, straight through SWR, look at the meter on the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, almost done. We're gonna turn him on. Input SWR, we'll be looking at the meter on the right, looking at radio drive on the LP 700. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, audio check, 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 check. 900 some change getting on down. We'll go over and hit the driver, I'll show you what we're going to be driving with. Hello, audio, about 124 PEP. She's a hot one. Turn him back on. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio 15 and some change. Getting on down on my little 6Pill. Turn on the bird PEP. Hello, audio, bird is a word. About 1500 peak on the bird. She's a good one, man. There ain't no sense in overdriving this one and breaking it because it's a hot box. We'll go over and hook up the outdoor dummy load. The colossal outdoor dummy loads. We'll start out radio drive. Hello, radio drive, colossal. Look at that SWR on that HG box. Look at there, look at there. What do you say, what do you say? Turn on the driver. Hello, driver, outdoor dummy load. Driver, outdoor dummy load. Brake. Well, that's about it. That's what she is doing. Working this Donkey Stomper 16Pill one more time for the March it dies. Breaker. Donkey Stomper 16Pill. 6Pill, I'll get it right. Yeah, guys, we're working on this video stuff, getting some stuff rearranged. Audio is going to be in and out and glitchy, and things are going to be different. Still in the beta mode. The more I do of it, the better I'll get. I'll get it where it's all stable and everything, and we'll enjoy it. Well, there she is. The 600 high drive HG Donkey Stomper is repaired. Break. Alrighty, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Just hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you time, no obligation, it helps us out. I would like to invite you to join our YouTube channel member, our Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store, guys. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your Fred and 10, 01 Beavis. Donkey Stomper.